Hi, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to show you how to unjam a DuoFast variable power stapler. So I've already taken this circlip off. You can get that off with tapping it with a screwdriver or grabbing it with the pliers. Pretty easy. And what you do is unloosen this screw all the way and then, oops, forgot to take the pin out that the circlip was connected to. Then bring that down and lift it up and out. And there should be two springs in here. One connected to the thumb screw and this other one. Now you have this hammer. You can pull that out the top like that, and that gives you access to what was my jammed staples. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. Usually they're like one staple on top of the other in there, but that is what the problem was. Now let me take this off and sight down there. Maybe you can see. Take a look. See if there's anything else in there. It looks like that was it. Okay, so this can go back. All right. Now what you got to do, this goes back on here. There's just a little groove that it fits in. This side is like a square block. What you got to do, put that back down in here. And it's kind of hard to see. But you have to get, there is a little hook on the trigger. You have to get it in that big slot on the back. This I can get in. Get that all the way up. Oops. It's kind of hard the way I'm positioned. Hopefully you're seeing all this there. And then it gets right in that little slot. There we go. So you want this little spring steel hammer in the slot right here, and have this so that it's not going to slide right out. It has to be connected to the handle, which it is. Then you put this big spring inside there, and then you get this little spring into the big spring. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes right inside the big spring. And then push it down. And that's it. And put this back in. And get the circlip back on. tap this on with a screwdriver. It's pretty easy. And then adjust the tension back down. I can pretty much tell about where it was. And then grab a fresh stick. All right, let's see how she works. Oops. There's your staple. That'll do it. That is how you fix a variable power DuoFast hand stapler. If the staples are jammed in there tighter than these were, you just take a scratch awl or something, or possibly push a wire through this back end and push them out through the front. These came out real easy, but yeah, this was jammed up really well and was not working for me. Now it's smooth as silk. All right, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you share this video, it helps us out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.